Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today we're comparing two popular options, the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the CORSAIR RM650. We'll dive into their specifications, performance, and user experiences to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Thermaltake Smart 700W offers a higher wattage at 700W, making it suitable for more demanding systems. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM650 provides 650W, which is still sufficient for most gaming and general-use PCs. However, the lower wattage of the CORSAIR may limit its use in high-performance builds that require more power. When it comes to cable management, the Thermaltake Smart 700W is a non-modular power supply, which can lead to cable clutter inside your case. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM650 features a fully modular design, allowing you to connect only the cables you need for a cleaner and more organized setup. Efficiency is another critical factor. The Thermaltake Smart 700W has an 80+ white certification, indicating decent efficiency but not the best. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM650 boasts an 80+ gold certification, which means it operates at a higher efficiency, leading to lower power consumption and heat generation. In conclusion, the choice between the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the CORSAIR RM650 ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with higher wattage, the Thermaltake is a solid choice. However, if you prioritize efficiency, modularity, and a longer warranty, the CORSAIR RM650 is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.